So guys, today we will start our topic, that is small oscillations, and basics now you understood. And I told you that force is proportional to minus x raised to power p. So let's take p is your 1, then force will be your minus of x. Sorry, proportionality constant. Proportional is here. Force is proportional to minus of x, and to remove this proportionality sign, it will become force of minus of kx. K is any constant, right? So for small oscillations, your force is linear, and you can write this as a f is equal to ma m d square x by dt square is equal to minus of kx. This will become m d square x upon dt square plus k x is equal to 0. So d square x upon dt square plus k by m x it will come, and this is your omega square, means omega is your under root k by m. So one important point you should note here, I think, that angular frequency for small oscillation is always constant. Angular frequency, you can see, that is always constant. If you have a harmonic oscillator of mass m and spring constant k, then angular frequency of the small oscillations only, that will be constant. But if that case is not your small oscillation, then your angular frequency will depend upon energy of the system. And for small oscillation, energy is always constant, and your k you can get curl square v upon curl x square at x is equal to x naught. X naught is your stable equilibrium point. So by putting this k here, you will get your angular frequency. Many times asked in the previous year that a particle of mass m executes small oscillation under potential any given, and you are asked with tell angular frequency of the oscillation. So let's do our first example. That a question is given, a particle of mass m execute small oscillation, means if small oscillation is written there, means force is already linear, under potential Vx is equal to ax square plus b upon x square, and find angular frequency. Right? So how you will solve this problem? When you will read this question, so underline the line that is small oscillation. If small oscillation is given, means angular frequency of the system will remain constant, and potential is given ax square plus b by x square. Firstly, you have to find k. So k is your curl square v upon curl x square at x is equal to x naught, and x naught is your stable equilibrium point. So how you will find the equilibrium points? Curly v upon curly x, it will be 2ax minus 2b by x cube, that will be 0, and it will become x4 is equal to b by a, and this will become x is equal to plus minus b by a raised to power 1 by 4. So there are 2 points came. Now you have to check which is stable and which is unstable. So what you will do, you will find curly square v upon curly x square, and it will become from here 2a minus 2 minus 3b by x4, right? So for both points you will check once. When you will put plus b by a raised to power 1 by 4, 2a plus 6b, b by a plus raised to power 1 by 4. B to B cancel. 2a plus 6a is your 8a. A is some positive number. This is your greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0 means it denotes your stable equilibrium point. That represents a minima. Understood? And let's check other also. Minus b by a raised to power 1 by 4. It will come 2a minus plus 6b upon b a with minus sign here, right? So it will become your b to b cancel. This will come here minus 4a. Already minus sign is here. That is less than 0, denoting a maxima or a unstable equilibrium point, right? So you have what? Curly square v upon curly x square means your x naught plus b by a raised to power 1 by 4 is a stable equilibrium point, and the value of it, that is 8a. So omega, what it will become, that is under root k upon m, and that will be your under root 8a upon m. This was your previous year question, I think, and you can see how much easy to solve. And 3.5 marks question, most of the time it comes in the exam. So you can see carefully how much easily you can solve this question of the small oscillation problem. So guys, in the next video we will discuss about normal modes of the small oscillations. And thank you for watching this video, and if you really like it, then please write in comment box, and thank you very much.